बार दिन ये गाए तुम जियो हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू हैप्पी बर्थडे आलू हैप्पी बर्थडे आलू हैप्पी बर्थडे आलू Once more.
आ जाओ यहाँ पे आ जाओ।
अच्छा प्लीज खाइए।
साइड में
अब हम फोटो ले सकते हैं।
गौरव
Now they should be asking me for taking pictures actually.
Okay, Amir sir has been one of my favorite actors while growing up. And to work with him और act के भी हमने कुछ समय बिताया था trying to be a part of the writing to understand the tone of the act. तो बहुत मजा आया and I'm really happy that you guys are ready.
Hi, this is Anna from Instant Bollywood. I want to ask you, how are you feeling
विशाल, थोड़ा पीछे आना, विशाल।
launching and
थोड़ा पीछे।
almost, the show is going sold out and the response to the brand is so good and the stuff is so good. What do you think?
I actually compare it to actually making a movie. Okay, it's as hard as that. You have to be really authentic. You really have to be present. You have to give it your all. Because I think even to sell to a consumer, they don't want to buy nonsense. They want to buy something authentic. They want to buy a true story. Sneakers is something that I've grown up with, something I truly love, and I really wanted, to make a good sneaker, a good brand, good clothes that our country will wear. I always used to wonder, जहाँ भी जाते हैं, there is a Zara, there is a Uniqlo, there is an H&M. We are such a large country. Most of the fabrics come from India. Most of the manufacturing is made in India. How come we don't have a brand like this? Of course, मैं थोड़ी बड़ी बात कर रहा हूँ, but the endeavor was that, the intention is that. We have a long way to go. We've taken good feedback, bad feedback. This is a brand that I really want to give myself, surrender myself for a very long period in my life. So I'm learning, and I hope I get better year by year, season by season.
Any entrepreneurial tips from Alia?
Actually, I got inspired by her because during lockdown, she's someone who thought about her brand, and it became so successful. It's actually so many people talk about these celebrity brands, and she was one of the most successful ones. And I saw the kind of groundwork she did, and the hard work she put in, where marketing is concerned, where everything is concerned. So actually I learned a lot from her, and I got inspired, and arts was something I was planning since 10-12 years, but I never had the courage to. I was thinking that I don't know my country that well, I don't know how I'll sell a product. Being an actor itself is so hard, how do you become an entrepreneur in some way. So Alia really inspired me in that journey.
Lastly, Alia was so nice and expect a one-on-one soon with us. We've been missing you.
I'm here.
I'm here only. I'm not going anywhere. In fact, I mentioned also on the podcast that a lot of people reached out to me saying, why you've forgotten us, you're not doing interviews. And I said, I generally don't have anything new to talk about. I wanted to take a bit of I did one interview or two interviews during Jigra promotions, but I didn't have much to say because I talked so much in 2022. But there's no such thing as I'm holding back or anything. I just feel like the minute I have some new energy to give, I'd rather be authentic than just speak for the heck of it.
We're waiting.
Hi, soon.
Alia.
Hi, Alia.
श्रेयस पीछे ना यार, श्रेयस पीछे है ना, पीछे ना। अभी भी तेरा सारा मैं जिनको कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट करता हूं, टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया हो गए, इंडिया टुडे हो गए, हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स हो गए, वीडियो हो गए, वो लोग फिर इन्हीं आर्टिकल्स के साथ में उनके वीडियोस, उनका इंस्टाग्राम की चीजें यूज करते हैं। तो फिर इस चीज को आप I think Alia will get a more serious note, but I'm saying कि मैं मुंबई में पला बड़ा हूँ, हम इंडस्ट्री में बहुत रहे हैं, all of you guys are family. ऐसा कुछ लीगल रूट हमको लेने की कोई नौबत नहीं है, ज़रूरत नहीं है। हम जब आप लोग को बुलाते हैं और आपसे विनती करते हैं, आप लोग सुनते हो, जैसे आपको कुछ चाहिए हमसे हम देते हैं। So it's not something, I think we all work together on
वी गिव आवर वर्ड टू ईच अदर. ऐसे नहीं है कि इस पे हम केस कर देंगे, उस पे केस कर देंगे. अगर आज हमने आप सबको बुलाया है, हमें विनती कर रहे हैं कि यार इट्स फॉर द बेटरमेंट ऑफ अ चाइल्ड. इट माइट साउंड लाइक अ वेरी प्रिविलेज्ड प्रॉब्लम, आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट, बट वी आर ट्राइंग एज पेरेंट्स हाउ मच वी कैन टू प्रोटेक्ट आवर चाइल्ड. जितना कर सकते करेंगे. अब देयर आर फ्यू, आज क्या टुडे एनीबॉडी विद अ कैमरा फोन कैन डू एनीथिंग एंड पोस्ट इट एंड यू नो इट कैन स्प्रेड लाइक वाइल्ड फायर. तो वो हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं है. आप लोग हमारे फैमिली जैसे, तो आप हमारे कंट्रोल में, हम आपको बोल सकते हैं, विनती कर सकते हैं, तो यू कैन हेल्प अस अचीव दिस. बट आई डोंट नो देयर इज एनी अदर रूट दैट वी आर.
No, to answer your question, I think जो आपने कहा है it is correct concern, and like Ranveer is saying, we don't want to push any sort of like.
Are you planning for a venture in your business?
Shreyas, yeah.
Because you spoke about Edamama, actually one of the big categories that we are going to introduce very soon under Ed is going to be personal care, which is products for babies, and like diaper cream, body wash, shampoo, and we're working quite like hard on it. So I'm really excited that I'm so really glad that you brought that up, because we are working on it. In fact, I think I must have given information away that I think they were saving for some of these all videos.
Now we know.
Now I'm giving it away. But I have mentioned it before. So yeah, under Ed, I am planning to do that. And I am with L'Oreal and really enjoying the association and the relationship. In fact, this is going to be my first year when I'm going to Cannes. So I'm very nervous, I'm very excited. And I'm also now trying my hand at new makeup looks and videos. I put up a makeup tutorial of my own at the beginning of the year. Now my team is like, why don't we try something that you've never done before, like blue eyeshadow or pink eyeshadow or something like that. So I'm going to try my hand at that as well. But I really enjoy celebrating, doing my skincare, my makeup. I think that's something that is very it's like a me time that I deeply enjoy. So yeah, expect some more videos from me soon.
All the very best to Cannes as well. I think it's a legendary association that you had with L'Oreal, because we've had Sonam and Aishwarya also, now you're there. But moving away from that, I also do want to ask you that you've been somebody who's also spoken about anxiety very openly.